How to see if someone bought your Game Pass on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can check if someone purchased your Roblox Game Pass. It's quick and simple process, so follow the simple steps. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com on your computer using the web browser, or you can also go to the phone and launch your web browser or the app and log into your Roblox account. After that, click on the Robux balance in the top right corner of this screen. And from the drop-down menu that appears, tap on My Transactions. Now on the Transactions page, select a type of transactions. And in the Summary section, simply tap on it and then tap on Sales of Good. If someone bought your Game Pass, this option will appear. So click on Sale of Goods to see details about the purchase, including who bought it. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can find and see if someone bought your Game Pass on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.